and welcome back to my channel. My name is uMkhonto Wakangubane. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. Mpho Morelane is the latest EFF commander to have resigned. He submitted his resignation letter to EFF Secretary General after serving for 10 years as the president of the Student Command. He has now joined uMkhonto Party. Floyd Shivangu has welcomed him to the MK Party. Julius Malema did say that more will follow Floyd since they are, or rather they were, loyal to him.
Floyd is not the only one. Jimmy Manyi has also resigned to go and join MK. And there will be many others who are going to leave the EFF because they've got their loyalty and support to the deputy president. So fighters on the ground should be prepared for more people to follow. And this should not serve as a point of collapse for the EFF.
But the $1 million question is, how many are still waiting for the right moment to leave the EFF for the MK Party? Please do comment down below with about these new developments. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, don't skip the ad, and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one. Bye.